Hey, so if you missed our little experiment, don't worry, I'm here to show you what we did. So here's all the materials that you will need. And I'm going to show you what we were talking about. So I'm going to present to you my little screen. Okay. So this is, well, this was our Jamboard session. So these were our predictions, but I'll show you the experiment. So we talked about molecules, and if you don't remember what a molecule is made up of atoms, and they could be solid, liquid, or gas. And we also talked about the molecule of the egg. So what is the egg made out of? And we said the egg is made out of calcium carbonate, actually. Same with seashells. So we're going to talk about how calcium carbonate, that molecule, interacts with different liquids when they're submerged. Also, a new science concept that we're talking about is osmosis. Now, osmosis is when a liquid of one molecule transfers through the membrane of another molecule. And a membrane is just the outer layer of a cell. So like your skin is considered a membrane to your body because it's the outer layer of all the organs inside. And similarly, the egg shell is the outer membrane of the egg. So we're going to talk about osmosis and what's happening with the liquids and which liquids are getting through the shell and dissolving it and which are not. So these were the materials you needed. And this was the process. And so we took each of our jars and filled them up with orange juice, with water, with vinegar, and I dyed the vinegar red so it was a little different, and with soda. And right away we noticed that the soda and the vinegar was causing bubbles to both eggs. And so with that being said, we wanted to know what's happening. So we watched this little video.
To look at why the shell of the egg is dissolved by the vinegar. Vinegar is made up of aqueous, or in other words, a water solution of acetic acid, and the egg shell is mostly made up of calcium carbonate. To look at why the shell happens. The water molecules in our vinegar begin to travel through the membrane of our egg, and it begins to fill with water. The special thing about an egg's membrane is that it's semi-permeable. What this means is that it'll only let specific molecules pass through it. In this case, the molecules it lets through are water molecules.
So what was happening is that the bubbles are creating carbon dioxide because the vinegar and soda both have some acid in it, and it's reacting with the egg. And we call this a chemical reaction because they're two different molecules causing a reaction chemically, and it's changing its makeup. So we wrote down our hypothesis. So this is what our Jamboard looks like. So we said that lemon juice is second, and then soda and never water. So somebody did lemon juice instead of orange juice. They think vinegar will dissolve. They predict that soda will dissolve the eggshell first. Vinegar will dissolve the egg. That soda will make the eggshell crack, but the inside will stay the same. I predict that vinegar will dissolve the egg first, and then they had some wonderful pictures to go with their predictions. So that is what we did in an eggshell. And so we're going to wait 2 days. And on Thursday, if you want to join us, we're going to see what actually happened to these eggs. Okay? So thanks for watching. I hope that you all are having a great day. And I will see you hopefully at our next session.